Hey guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Flora based by name, and in today's video we are going to be seeing some of our Nigerian products made in Nigeria, Africa. It will interest you to know that Nigeria is blessed with so much talented people, and today we are going to be seeing some of those products made in this country, Nigeria. Guys, please, if this is your first time on this channel, I welcome you, and for those of you who are already part of this channel, you're welcome back to my channel. Please, for the newbies, feel free to subscribe to my channel as a way of supporting me, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so whenever I post a new video you get the alerts. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into this juicy video.
We have a certain type of color of the shoes.
Okay, sorry, I want to know, is this Nigerian product?
It's a Biafran shoe.
Made in
Nigeria.
Are you serious?
Yes, Biafran shoe.
Wow.
Yes.
This nice, man.
Nice Biafran shoe.
Made in Aba.
Yes, made in Aba.
Wow,
Yes.
wow. So we now have Africa, China.
Yes.
We have China in Nigeria. So guys, it will interest you to know that these shoes are Nigerian products.
Yes.
So
Nigerian
beautiful. We have Nigerian products. So wow, this is nice. This is nice.
We have many designs.
Wow.
Different designs. We have the men on here.
So you're sure this is Nigerian products?
It's a Nigerian product, yes.
Ah man, this country is blessed though.
Yes.
This country is
Fine
blessed.
designs.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
This is nice. So we can as well export these shoes. We can export it to any other country.
Yes.
Wow, this is
Very
nice.
cheaper price.
Are you serious? Like within what range?
Like all those ones now, 1,500, 1,000 naira.
1,005, 1,000 naira.
Yeah.
1,000 naira is literally $2.
Okay.
That's what it is. So, can I have one of it, please? So guys, it will interest you to know that this beautiful slippers here is sold for 1,000 naira Nigeria currency. But if we want to maybe convert it to dollar, it's going to cost us like $2. Guys, take a look at this. Cost for $2, guys. So nice. Can I get some other designs, sir?
Yes, I have other designs.
Wow, this is beautiful. $2. Only $2. Wow, $2, guys. This country is blessed. This country is blessed, guys. So I want to see the male shoe for you guys.
This is the men on.
Wow, this is also Nigerian products.
Nigerian products. Biafran shoe.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, this country is blessed. These are Nigerian products, guys. These are our products in this country called Nigeria. This is our products. This is made in Aba.
Yes.
As I speak to you, I'm in the city of Umuahia, exploring Umuahia in Abia State. And I came to a particular area known as Gates in Umuahia. They call it Isi Gates. And that is where I stumble into these beautiful shoes. As you can see here, it will interest you to know that these are our products made in Aba, guys, made in this country. These are not foreign shoes. Drop a comment below what you think. Is this shoe nice? Do you really think this shoe is so beautiful that we can also export this shoe? These are beautiful shoes, guys. I'm excited. I'm really excited. So sir, how long have you been in this business?
Yes, I have been in business for about 9 years now.
9 good years.
Yes.
And you have been selling Nigerian product shoes. Wow, do you make sales? Do people patronize you?
Yes, steady. People patronize me every day.
They even buy your shoes and take it overseas.
Overseas, yes.
Are you kidding me?
That is there.
Yeah.
When they came there, they buy a quantity and go there and sell. So
wow.
Make more money. You say cheaper price. You have about 3,000 to 4,000. You buy all these ones.
Okay, so for instance now I want to buy like 10-20 pairs of shoes to take overseas.
Okay, if you want to buy like 10-20 pairs, I can easily reduce price for you because it's a wholesale price. Oh. I can give you a rate of 2,000.
Oh, wow. 2,000.
Yes,
wow, that's literally $4.
Yes.
$4. Wow, that's nice. That's nice, sir. I think you have a business card. You have a card.
Yes, my card. My card is not original, but I have a business. My card have that one.
Okay, I needed to have your card. I needed to have your card. I don't know. And I stumbled into a shop where they sell shoes, they sell handbag here in the city of Umuahia, around Isi Gate, guys. So as you can see here, I'm seeing some beautiful shoes here. I can see some foreign shoes, and I can also see our shoes made in our country here, guys. I am so proud that in Nigeria we have our Nigerian products. Beautiful product that when we export them, you won't even know they are made in Nigeria. So I am so excited to be here. So please, sorry, who is in charge here? Okay. Made in Nigeria. Wow. Wow. That means Nigeria is a good country. That means in Nigeria we produce things. We manufacture things in Nigeria. Wow. So Nigeria can make a boxer like this. Are you serious? Yes. Wow. Can I see some of the Nigerian products you have again? Like, okay, it's just this. Wow. Nice. I'm glad to know or to hear that Nigeria has some nice products. So it's not just all the time we import from overseas. Everything we need is here in Nigeria. We also have factories where they produce shoes in Nigeria. Wow, so these boxers can be taken overseas, can be exported to go and sell overseas. Wow, I am so excited, ma, that I'm seeing Nigeria products. The Nigeria can produce boxers like this. Wow, so how long have you been in this business, ma?
Since 3 years ago.
Okay. And you are doing well in this business? Wow, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. All right, ma, take care.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, in case you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to smash that red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Flora Best remains my name, and I say be the best of you. Don't give up on your dream. Bye.